Hi peeps, in this tutorial we are going to speak for command that help us to extrude 2D sketches in 3D models, and again we will speak about sketch command manager. So to start sketching, go to File, New, Part. Now pick front plane and start new sketch. Get line command and draw one line from origin point to right. Be sure that yellow square is turned on. It indicates us that we have horizontal relation for this line. Then we will draw one vertical line. Now I want to draw arc, one tangent line, again one horizontal line, and one vertical line. Click OK, again OK, and we define our sketch profile. Just dimension are missing. Get Smart Dimension tool and right dimension for this line here. This one will be 70. This one 40. This one 20. R20. This one here will be 50 millimeters. 15 millimeters. And this one here will be 8 millimeters. And now all lines are black. That means we have fully defined sketch profile. Exit from sketch mode with clicking here and go to future commands. So pick command extrude both base and it's enough to write just height of the body, that is 20 millimeters, and click OK. Again OK. And here is our part. To change dimension of this part, just click on the part and we have displayed dimension of the part. So we will make this dimension 20, this one 10, this one 45, and here is our part with new dimensions. Also, if you see these lines, this one, we can use them if we have no relations between the lines. In this case, just that drag instant will working. That is all for this tutorial. We draw part. This is actually our first part. And thanks for watching.